Current vacancies for this week. Vacancies in the USA. Vacancies in Canada. Vacancies in Europe and the United Kingdom. Details in the description, on our website, or in our Telegee.